Here we have a Mercury athletic scale strength tester grip machine made by the Mercury company. Very popular 1950s pastime game. You'd find these in different, certainly in penny arcades and the like, but also in corner stores, five and dimes, that sort of thing. Any place where you could easily park it on top of a counter, and perhaps as a patron was waiting to buy something or shopping around, and maybe it was a mom doing some errands and the young child with her, they would have a few pennies free and they could plunk them in. These were extremely popular machines of skill at the time and strength, obviously. Very clever design, very streamlined, very 1950s. A great colorful scale that sweeps across the front. And this one in particular has its original scale in the back, which is nice to see. You see that on the left and right hand side there are suggested average strength levels that the person would be able to grip and squeeze, as well as the instructions for how to operate the machine. Very, very basic, but very, very effective at generating a lot of money for operators. These were they were made in the 1950s, but they were operated well into the 70s and 80s and even the 90s. So a very, very profitable type of machine. This one has an older restoration, looks very faithful. Fortunately, they left the front scale and this metal plate alone. And again, as you can imagine, it would not be uncommon for those metal plates to get scratched up and put graffiti and so on and get defaced. This one has nice patina to it and is easily legible and is in good shape. It's got a full wood base, as it should, and locking metal back door. Let's go ahead and we'll give it a try. Again, they're very basic mechanisms, so you start by clearing off the score from the prior person, and as it says, you just drop a penny in and give it a squeeze. There we go, and we squeezed far enough to ring the little bell inside, and let's see if we can reset it, and we'll give it another shot. Not quite as far that time. Anyway, that is the Mercury athletic scale grip test strength machine from the 1950s.